How to Avoid the Four-Headed Monster of Estate Planning in Elder Law on Amazon. Elder Law attorney Patrick Kelleher. Oh my. Hey folks, thank you for joining us today at elderlawcare.com. Hey folks, I often get this question. Hey Patrick, what is the best way for an individual to do a do-it-yourself estate plan? What is the best do-it-yourself estate plan or do-it-yourself will or trust available? Well folks, that's a tough one, because I often say that if you have a serious matter such as estate planning in elder law, unfortunately folks, there is nothing simple about it. Nothing whatsoever. And what may appear to be simple, folks, is often rather complex, because that's why I call it the metaphorical four-headed monster, because you could create a document, and I often say the stack of documents right here, the stack of documents, in even though the language is important within the four corners of your will, of your trust, etc., but just a stack of documents or even an estate plan and portfolio like this guy here, I often say it's not a magic red book. Yeah, it may look like a protective, formidable trust portfolio, which it is, but it's not a magic red book, folks. It's not going to slay the metaphorical four-headed beast for you. So it's really a slippery slope, and so you have to proceed with caution, because it's not all about the documents, folks. It's often about the results, okay? And what I mean by, you may create a will or as you know, a will is your admission ticket to probate court, but you may create a trust. And even if you fund that trust and retitle your assets, say your home, into that trust, the devil's in the details. That trust that you created through what we call the electronic vending machine of wills and trusts that you can purchase on the internet, you're really rolling the dice, folks, because even if it avoids probate court, it may not have the proper tax planning in the four corners of that trust to protect from estate tax, state level estate tax in your state, and maybe even federal estate tax. And it may not even protect from capital gains tax. And then your loved ones, you may have saved money in your mind up front, not hiring a professional elder law attorney, but your loved ones later could be paying the piper when they're paying the tax man a hefty capital gains tax, because they did not get the full tax benefits because the plan was not drafted properly. And then what about asset protection, third-headed monster, family bloodline protection? A lot of our clients will say, hey Patrick, when we're gone, we love our 3 children dearly. However, the names are Mo, Larry, and Curly. What if Mo, Larry, and Curly experience what we call times of turmoil? What are times of turmoil? Lawsuit, automobile accident, divorce, in-laws turning into outlaws. How much of their inheritance is going to be placed at risk? All of it, yes, because you gave them an outright distribution in the palm of their hands with that stack of documents, whether it's a will or a trust, because 90% of the trusts I review say when mom and dad are gone, the children get everything free of trust or free from trust. And if they encounter times of turmoil, all of their inheritance is placed at risk. Yes, everything you worked hard for maybe generations, but for decades of your life, your entire life, could be up for grabs by potential financial creditors and predators of your children during times of turmoil. And folks, the fourth-headed monster, if you're looking to protect your home from the nursing home and you put it into the incorrect trust in your estate and the T's aren't not crossed and the I's are not dotted, you're exposing and placing your family home at risk to potential nursing home liens, okay? Very, very stringent rules around crossing the T's, dotting the I's with Medicaid planning, state to state. All kinds of case law. So you need to work, folks, with an experienced elder law attorney if you truly want to slay the metaphorical four-headed beast. Otherwise, folks, you're rolling the dice and taking tremendous risk. And why would you do that? Why would you do that would be the question, right? So that being said, folks, proceed with caution. My advice, work with an experienced estate elder law attorney that will assist you slay the metaphorical four-headed beast for your situation, folks. All right, so a lot of do-it-yourself vending machines out there where you can purchase an online will, online trust. And folks, you want to sleep at night, right? You want peace of mind? You want peace of mind for your family. So when you're up in your cloud looking down from the front side of the cloud, you know you did in your heart, in your soul, what I call the 3 Ps in my book. Protect what you worked hard for, preserve the value, and then passing on as a meaningful legacy to the people you love the most. That's the front side of the cloud. Family harmony. You do not want the back side of the cloud. Family harm. Okay, folks, peace of mind, front side of the cloud, not peace of mind spelled a different way from your loved ones on the back side of the cloud. So folks, there you have it. If you'd like to learn more, go to elderlawcare.com or pick up a copy of my book on Amazon, How to Avoid the Metaphorical Four-Headed Monster of Estate Planning in Elder Law, Probate Court, the Estate Death Tax, Financial Creditors and Predators, and yes, maybe that $15,000 per month private pay nursing home. Folks, if you found this video helpful, please scroll down, post a comment, post a question, because a member of our Elder Law Care team will get back to you as soon as possible. And folks, be sure to subscribe to get more updates on the important topics of elder law. Thanks for joining us today, folks. Patrick Kelleher at elderlawcare.com.